Here we have a 2024 Hilux extra cab fitted in water resistant canvas. So front pair, as you can see, have airbag provision. Driver's door side has access to the height adjustment. Separate headrests. Center console lid cover, that's a free bonus. Canvas right down the back of the backrest. You also have the option to leave the mat pockets open with our canvas seat covers. And so being an extra cab, it's a 4-seater. As you can see, 2 separate bases there. So the bases with our seat cover fitted still can be removed from the cab if need be. And the whole complete back panel, not just the cushion, we cover the complete back panel, but still leave the vents open on the bottom of the plastic, and also separate headrest covers as well for the extra cab.